Hello kids, how are you? I am back again here for your next lecture. In our previous exercise, you had completed reading comprehension A. That we had completed in our previous lecture. Now it's turn to start B. See, look at your book, okay? This is textbook, English textbook. In this B, answer these questions in one word. Okay, you have to write answer in only one word. No need to write in a sentence. You have to write in one word. See, what is the occasion? According to this story, you had read this story, Shruti's birthday story. So according to this story, what is the occasion? So the occasion is birthday. The occasion is birthday. So number 1, what do you have to write here? Shruti's birthday. Shruti's, you have to write here Shruti's birthday. Okay, what they had celebrated? What is the occasion? Shruti's birthday. Full stop. Okay. After that, you have to put full stop. That means you had finished your answer. So number 1, what will come? Shruti's birthday. See, question once again. I am going to repeat the question. What is the occasion? What is the occasion? So answer is Shruti's birthday. Shruti's birthday. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 is who gives Shruti a bicycle? Means Shruti को bicycle किसने दिया? आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा था. So who gave bicycle to Shruti? His grandfather. So what we have to write here? Grandfather. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. Here small g will come. No need to write capital. Grandfather. Okay. Grandfather. Who gave a bicycle? Grandfather. Okay. Now number 3. Here also put full stop after completing the answer. Number 3. What is the color of the basket? See, you had seen the cycle. The basket is there in front of the cycle. Who gifted basket to her? So Shruti's mother. Who gave the basket to her? Shruti's mother. And what is the color of the basket? Orange. So number 3 you have to write orange. What do you have to write? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Full stop. Okay. On number 3, what do you have to write? Orange. Okay. Now number 4. Who gives her red ribbons? Red ribbons किसने दिए थे श्रुति को? See, red ribbon लगा के श्रुति राइड कर रही है bicycle. So who gave the red ribbon? Grandmother. Her grandmother. दादी जी ने दिया था. तो number 4, what do you have to write here? Grandmother. Okay. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. मतलब दादी जी ने दिया था. तो on number 1, what you will write? Shruti's birthday. What is the occasion? So it's Shruti's birthday. Number 2, who gave her bicycle? Grandfather. मतलब उसके दादाजी ने गिफ्ट किया था. Number 3, what is the color of a basket? So it is orange in color. So number 3 you have to write orange. And number 4, who had gifted red ribbon? Her grandmother. So here you have to write grandmother. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number B, answer these questions in one word. So you have to write these 4 answers in this block. Okay. No need to write these answers in notebook. Only you have to copy down in your book. This is your book exercise. So no need to write this exercise in your notebook. Understood? Okay. Now after this, after completing this, now we will go to C. First to write this. Okay. Now should I erase this and let's move to next exercise. Okay. Now exercise number C. Now we will do C. Now again the question is same, answer these questions. But here we have to write answers in sentence. Now we will not write answer in one word, because number B, what they ask, that you have to answer the questions in only one word. But here we have to write answers in full sentence. Okay. So number 1, where does Shruti's mother put the basket? See बेटा, आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखना है कि आपको जब आंसर की शुरुआत करना है तो वो क्वेश्चन में से ही करना है. दैट मीन्स अगर यहाँ पूछा गया है कि where does Shruti's mother put the basket, तो आपका आंसर भी शुरू होगा Shruti's mother put the basket, then we will write the answer. Okay, you understood? That means you have to start the answer from the question only. The question number 1 is question number 1. What is the question? Where, W-H-E-R-E, where does Shruti's, S-H-R-U-T-I Shruti's mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, put the basket, P-U-T, put the basket. Okay, so we have to give the answer of this particular question. Okay, so now we will write the answers. Answers you have to write properly in your 4 lines where the line will come. Okay, where the word will come, in that particular line only you have to write the answers. Understood? You have to write the answers in the particular line only. Don't write here and there, and you have to write it properly. And when this you have to write in your notebook also. This question answer you have to write in your notebook. Write CW, date, heading, answer these questions, write question number also. Then start writing your answers, and when you write question, at the end of the question you have to put the question mark. मतलब बेटा ये आपको आपकी नोटबुक में भी लिखना है, आपको हेडिंग प्रॉपरली डालना है, फिर उसके बाद आपको क्वेश्चन लिखना है. क्वेश्चन खत्म होता है तो क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना जरूरी है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन मार्क का मतलब होता है ये प्रश्न है, क्वेश्चन है जो हमने पूछा है. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग अवर आंसर. सो आंसर जब हम लिखेंगे तब आपको उसके बाहर यहाँ पे लिखना है ANS, आंसर. दैट मीन्स अब आप इसका आंसर लिखने वाले. मैंने आपको क्या बताया है कि क्वेश्चन में से ही आपको आंसर उठाना है. So first we will start from here. Shruti's. So write S-H-R-U-T-I'. Shruti's mother. Shruti's mother. See here. Shruti's mother. देखो हमने क्वेश्चन में से ही आंसर लिया है. Shruti's mother put the basket. P-U-T. Put the T-H-E, the, put the basket. Put the basket. कहाँ लगाया था श्रुति की मदर ने बास्केट को? Where he put the basket? Where she put the basket, her mother? See, अब हमने क्या करा, हमारा आंसर क्वेश्चन में से ही उठा लिया. Shruti's mother put the basket. Now here what we have to write? Answer. After that we have to write answer. Answer is there in your book only. If you read the story, answer is there. See, in front of the bicycle. So what we will write here now? IN. In front मतलब आगे. In front. FRONT. In front of the bicycle. In front of the. In front of the bicycle. Okay, in front of the bicycle. Full stop. After completing your answer, put full stop. That means you had finished your answer. Once again I am repeating, when you write question, you have to put at the end of the question mark. That means you had asked this question, and after finishing the answer you have to put full stop. That means here your answer stop. Okay, so this you have to write in your notebook. number 1. This is question number 1. Okay. Now complete this. Okay. Now next question number 2. Question number 2. Where does Shruti's father gave her a helmet? Why does, see question number 2 is why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? कल मैंने आपको जब 2 दिन पहले आपको स्टोरी पढ़ाया था तो मैंने क्या बोला था कि हमें हेलमेट क्यों लगाना चाहिए? फॉर आवर ओन सेफ्टी, ओके, दैट आवर हेड विल नॉट गेट इंजर्ड. So why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? For her safety. The answer is for her safety. So number 2, why does, question is why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? This is question. It is already written in your book. Okay, it is already written in your book. So you have to write question. After writing answer of number 1, after completing the answer, you have to give space. That means leave one line, then start question number 2. Don't write haphazard and clumsy. Okay. After finishing question number 1 answer, give one line free and then you write question number 2. Okay. Why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Now we will write the answer here. Okay. Now answer again starts with the question. Shruti's father. So here S H R U T I apostrophe S. Shruti's father. F A T H E R. Shruti's father give her a helmet. Give her a helmet. MET. Give her a helmet. Okay. After that, you have to write. Give her a helmet for FOR, her, 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 for her safety. Okay. This is the answer. Full stop. Okay. Why does she give her a helmet? For her safety, so that she will not get injured. If she will fall down also, her head will not get injured. So that's why his father gives her a helmet. So Shruti's father give her a helmet for her safety. उसकी सेफ्टी के लिए श्रुति के पापा ने हेलमेट गिफ्ट किया था. Okay, so this right, you have to write in your notebook these 2 answers. Okay. So this you have to write what I told you, that after finishing the question you have to put the question mark. After finishing the answer you have to put the full stop and read and write. Don't write and just write. You have to read the question, understand the question, then give the answer and write the answer properly. Okay, Miss number 1, where does Shruti's mother put the basket? मतलब श्रुति की मदर ने बास्केट कहाँ लगाया था? तो आंसर इज Shruti's mother put the basket in front of the bicycle. मतलब श्रुति की मम्मा ने बाइसिकल के फ्रंट में बास्केट लगाया था. तो आंसर इज द सेम. Shruti's mother put the basket. You have to take the question answer from the question itself. Then you have to write in front of the bicycle. Same way, second question. Why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Now answer is Shruti's father give her a helmet. From the question itself we have taken this part. The answer is for her safety. For her safety. This you have to write. Okay. Question number 1 and question number 2. Understood? Should I erase and should I start writing question number 3? Okay. Now question number 3. Okay, if you are not able to look here, give her a helmet. I am writing this answer here, okay, because you are not able to see here. For her safety. For her safety. That means after this you have to write this in your second line. Okay, it is not visible from here, so I have written there, but you have to write after this. Okay, so Shruti's father give her a helmet for her safety. These two answers. Okay, you had complete these answers in your notebook. In your notebook. Okay, proper write CW, date, heading. Then questions also you have to write. Then start writing your answers and leave one line after each and every question answer. Okay. Now number 3. I am writing number 3. Okay. Okay. Now question number 3. See, read here. WHAT. What does DOES does? What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? मतलब श्रुति की ग्रैंडमदर ने क्या बोला श्रुति को करने के लिए? अब हमें ये बताना है. आपने आंसर पढ़ा था. सो ग्रैंडमदर ने क्या बोला था कि she asked me to tie them to the handle. Okay, so now we will write the answer. What does question number 3? What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? Okay. What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? मतलब श्रुति की दादी जी ने क्या कहा श्रुति को? Now we will write the answer of this particular question. Okay, now we will write the answer of this particular question. So our answer starts from question itself. I told you again and again to start your answer from question itself. So now we will start from Shruti's grandmother. Shruti's grandmother ask her grandmother asked her to tie. Tie means बांधना. Tie means बांधना. T-I-E tie. T-I-E tie. T-I-E tie. Tie means बांधना. Okay, teachers are saying always tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. That means shoelaces बांधो. तो वैसे ही श्रुति की ग्रैंडमदर ने उसको बोला tie. ओके, टाई मीन्स बांधना. टाई मीन्स बांधना. टाई. रेड रिबिन. CRED. रेड रिबिन. RIBBON. रिबिन. टाई. रेड रिबिन. टाई. रेड रिबिन. कहाँ पे टाई करना है? On the handle. On the handle. On the handle. On the handle of bicycle. Okay, on the handle of bicycle. Full stop. Okay, on the handle of bicycle. Okay, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie red ribbon on the handle of bicycle. Okay, on the handle of the bicycle. Here the will also come. On the handle of the bicycle. On the handle of the the bicycle. BICYCLE. Full stop. Okay, so this answer you have to write on number 3. Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie red ribbon on the handle of the bicycles. On the handle of the bicycles. Okay, so what she told that they have to tie red ribbons on the handle of the bicycle. Her grandmother told her to tie. Tie मतलब बांधना. Red ribbon. She gifted her red ribbons ना. So red ribbons on the handle of the bicycle. Okay. Okay. Now number 4. Last question. Number 4. Last question number 4. So let's read the question. What WSAT, what does Shruti love? What does Shruti love? She told me, I love my bicycle. So the answer is same. What does, question number 4. What does DOES, what does Shruti love? LOVE, love, question mark. Now we will write the answer of the same question. Okay, answer of the same question now we will write. Okay, so answer is, again from the question itself we will take Shruti love. Shruti. Okay, written Shruti love. LOVE, love. What did she love? Shruti love her bicycle. Shruti love her bicycle. Full stop. See, the answers are there in the story itself. You have to read the story carefully. Okay, you have to read the story carefully so that you can get the answers from the story itself. And no need to by heart the answers, because अगर आप स्टोरी को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ोगे तो आपको अपने आप आंसर्स लिखते आएंगे. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई टोल्ड यू अगेन एंड अगेन, देन repeat the new words again and again by saying them so that you can learn the spellings also, so that it's very easy for you to read the question answers also and to read the chapter also. It will help you to write the answers of the particular questions. So this number 3 and number 4 also you have to write in your notebook. This number 3 and number 4 you have to write in your notebook. Okay. So today what we had completed, exercise number B, answer in the questions in one words, and C, answer these questions. So this is your CW and you have to write in notebook. Write in your notebook. Okay, that means this question answers you have to write in your notebook. Only part C. Part B, this B, answer these questions in one word. This you have to write in your book itself. Don't write this in your notebook. But number C, answers these questions, these 4 question answers you have to write properly in your notebook. Write CW, date, this proper heading, answer these questions. Write question number 1, then put question mark, then on second line write answer, then write proper answer, put full stop. After that drop one line. Okay, you have to drop one line, then start writing question number 2. After that, finishing this question, put full this question mark, then start your answer. At the end of the answer, put full stop. Then again drop one line and write question number 3. After finishing question, put question mark, write answer. At the end of the answer, put full stop. Again drop the same method, you have to write the 4th question. Okay, so like that you have to write all these 4 question answers in your notebook properly. This is not your homework, this is your class work. Okay, this is not your homework. You have to write heading CW, don't write HW. This is not your homework, this is your class work. Okay, bye, have a nice day, enjoy your day.